it is meaning that gives freedom to involvement.
Right.
Because most people think of commitment as the absence of freedom or the end of their freedom, and it's just not true. Because we must be free to become involved, or the freedom is worthless. It's like money in your pocket. It's not useful until you take it out of your pocket and give it to someone. Freedom's like that. It's like money in your pocket. You have to spend your freedom worth anything. Freedom when there's nothing to spend it on is actually loneliness, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you have to invest it in something. And like it's many people are going through this. The only safe place to stand in a hurricane is involved. If you're free in a hurricane, then you spin off. That's the other thing. And we have to choose with whom to be involved. Most people choose relationship and family, don't they? Which is very powerful. But there's a higher dimension for those of us involved in magic. We actually build up the magical family that we're creating to a level where that is what we identify as soul connectedness. You may or may not be connected with family members on the level of soul. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Most assuredly, I was not. But I think some of what we're doing here is only really meaningful when you think of it as an aspect of our soul journey.